Hey guys, it's Ryan with UNI-STAR, New Hampshire's top rated cleaning service. I wanted to reach out to you guys and show you how to properly sanitize your surfaces and devices. So people, a lot of the times, they think by just spraying something that automatically that kills any viruses or pathogens. But if you look at it at a scientific standpoint and you read these products, there's a certain dwell time that needs to happen, and also a process that needs to happen before the virus or pathogen can be killed. So I'm going to give you guys a little insight that can help keep you guys safe, and this is something that we do within your homes when we're coming for regular service, or if you have a commercial service with us at your office or any area. So what we're going to do is first we're going to use a high quality microfiber cloth like this one. And what we've already done on this table here, to make sure this video isn't too long, we've used a cleaner to clean this surface properly, which removes any debris, dirt, dust, any oils that could be hiding any virus or pathogen beneath it. So now we have a clear surface that's ready to be disinfected. So that's one step that people miss a lot, which can cause a lot of issues. Same thing on handles, doorknobs, all your touch points, light switches. You want to clean that stuff first, because what can be under the oils of your skin can potentially start growing right after it's clean, and then you can start cross-contaminating once again. So let's clean all the surfaces first, and then what we're going to do is we're going to aim at our microfiber cloth, get this moist, and then we're also going to give a spray on the surface itself. So what we want to do is we don't want to dry this. We want to make sure that this surface is still wet. We don't want to dry it off, because you're going to need about 10 minutes before this can, is proven to kill the viruses or pathogens. For this to do its job, it needs to be damp or wet for 10 minutes. Okay? So that's how you kill your pathogens or any viruses and properly sanitize within your home or business. This is what we practice in UNI-STAR, and we kind of wanted to share this with you guys in this time. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out.